Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo. I got a great classic for you. This is Mama Tried by Merle Haggard. Now, this is an incredible song, easy to play, and I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 chords. We're going to use 4 chords, though, because there's one spot in here that we need to kind of throw in a B minor. But for all intents and purposes, this is a classic, super classic country song, and if you like playing around the campfire, this gets people to listen to the story. Great story. Now, I personally grew up single mother of 5 kids. She did everything she could to keep us all in line. But this is a story about one single child, and he was a rebel. But I think you're going to like this one. Let's get started. All right, you ready to learn this country classic, Mama Tried? Now, this is a great song. If you listen to the story kind of carries itself through, but the music is really some simple chords, a chord progression. A D, a G, an A7th, and then we got a B minor. That's it. The most part of this is that D, G, D, back to A7. So if you got that down, you got everything. So we're going to jump right into this. And don't let anybody tell you this is right or wrong. It doesn't matter. This is up to you. This is how you want to play it and how you feel that you can play it. So I don't want anybody to stand in your way of having fun. And I don't know if this is how it was originally written. I just know that's how I hear it. And I know that he plays his beginning lead clear up here in the 7th and 10th fret and everything. I kind of throw it on to the D because the beginning of this song is sort of a, I don't know if you can hear this or not. If you're strumming up, you're getting that high string. Just that kind of a simple lead. Now that's that pinky way up there. And that's really all it is. So I'm just using it out of D. Again, that's how I hear it. I've seen him and he does this clear up here, right? But I can do it out of the D down here on different strings. I just use that pinky. But you don't even need to have that. If it's too challenging, just kind of start out with that D. If you notice too, I'm not strumming all 6 strings. I'm strumming these 4 strings right here. And you'll hear me pluck that first one. And I'll lift up on my fingers just to kind of give it a little bit of a rhythm. And that's an easy way to kind of get a song going. So if you're strumming the D, now the lyrics, you can kind of find the lyrics anywhere, I think. But if you look up those lyrics, it's really a story about a kid growing up and just trying to be a rebel. And he turned 21 in prison. That's the whole sad part about this. But a fun song to play, nonetheless. So take that D, strum it a couple times, get the start. And I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. See, just keep that rhythm going. Now, add in the lyrics and the whole thing starts making sense. First thing I remember knowing was a lonesome whistle blowing. A youngin's dream of growing up to ride on a freight train leaving town, never knowing where I was bound. No one could change my mind, but Mama tried. One and only rebel child from a family meek and mild. Mama seemed to know what lay in store. Spite of all my Sunday learning, towards the bad side I kept turning, till Mama couldn't hold me anymore. Here's the chorus. And I turned 21 in prison, doing life without parole. No one could, that's that B, the B minor right here. No one could treat me right, but Mama tried. Mama tried to teach me better, but her learning I deny. That leaves only me to blame, 'cause Mama tried. Now you have to check the lyrics, because I don't even know if that's where the lyrics are, but pretty close. Dear old daddy, rest his soul, left Mama heavy load. She tried so very hard to fill his shoes, working hours without a rest, wanted me to have the best. She tried to steer me right, but I refused. Back to the chorus. And I turned 21 in prison, doing life without parole. No one could treat me right, but Mama tried. Mama tried, Mama tried to teach me better, but her pleading I denied. That leaves no one else to blame, 'cause Mama tried. That leaves only me to blame, 'cause Mama tried. Mama Tried. What a great song, fun song. Play it, enjoy it, have fun doing it. Don't let anybody tell you it's right or wrong, but it's a fun song. It definitely is. So I hope that helped you a lot. Play along with it if you want. All the chords are at the end of this video, so you can see them and kind of play through them at your own pace. But that is a fun song. So if you get a chance to strum it along, just keep practicing with it. Stay with it. And that simple G, D, G, A7 is really a great progression to learn. So, another fun lesson from the land of Ohio, Jimbo, enchanted where every day is a celebration, every meal's a banquet. If I don't see you out there, I will certainly see you in here.